This is so different. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So this is take 2 of me trying to make a video. I'm on my iPhone, if you can't tell. What had happened was I started with my camera and I was about to take a bite of this onion ring, and then it says that there was no more memory. So you gotta make do where you can, and I wanted to make a video for you guys, so here we are. Happy spring. Today's the first day of spring, and of course Florida's bipolar weather. It's stormy out today, so that's great, but I kind of don't mind because I want it to be like a chill Netflix and relax kind of day. So what I have for you here, these little pocket things are by the brand Gardein, which I love, by the way. Like, I really wish they would sponsor me. I buy a ton of their products. So 2 of them are the Scramble breakfast pockets. Sorry for the glare. Which has like vegan sausage, cheese, veggies, vegan eggs, all that good stuff. And then the other 2 are the barbecue porkless pockets, which are also amazing. We have a little bit of onion rings here, leftover onion rings that we had in the freezer. This is by the brand Alexia. And then a lovely bowl of green beans with some butter. You know how we do. And then this amazingness. I made homemade fresh cold press watermelon juice. It's so refreshing and good. I feel like it would be really good if I made a mojito out of watermelon juice, like fresh watermelon juice. Oh my gosh. All right. The long overdue taste of the onion ring, because like I said, my camera cut out on me right as I was about to take a bite. This sauce is vegan-aized, so vegan mayo, ketchup, and sriracha. Oh, it's so good. If you're new to my channel, by the way, hi, my name is Skylar. I am vegan. I've been vegan since December 2016. I love making mukbang videos, eating in front of the camera, talking to you guys. I love watching mukbangs. And yeah, hope you like this video and my channel. Okay, so these 2 are the porkless and these 2 are the breakfast, and the breakfast one's my favorite, so we're gonna start with that. This is what it looks like. I poked holes in the middle of them just because when they were in the middle of cooking, I wanted to see if it was cooked in the middle, and they weren't, so I just poked holes in all of them just so they would cook faster. But this is what they look like. Nice and golden. Let's take a bite. Yo. Oh my God. Just like, take a look at that. Like the cheese, this brings me back to the old days where I couldn't focus on anything with my phone. The vegan sausage, the cheese, the peppers and spinach, and oh my God, it's so good. You have to try this. Like, oh, let's get this straight. Pretty much all of the food that I eat on camera is so good. I'm not lying to you guys. I'm being so legit when I say the food's good. I'll let you know if it's not. These breakfast Scramble pockets are so freaking good. Abby, do not come up here, please. And now she's behind the camera looking at the ring light. I'm gonna try it with some of the sriracha mayo ketchup sauce, which I'm sure will be so good. Abby, you're blocking the light. Go. Mmm. Mmm. Yo. That is amazing. That is so good. This is definitely kind of like a weird concoction. Maybe not these two together, but I made these and then I was like, I feel like there needs to be something else with it because it's too plain just having these. So I opened a couple cans of green beans, seasoned it, threw some butter in there because duh, butter. And yeah, so good. I hope you all are having an awesome day and a great spring. Do you have any plans for spring besides maybe spring break? Probably. Even that crunch, like, so good. Now we're gonna try the porkless pockets, which are so flavorful. Kind of looks the same on the outside, except the breakfast pockets has they have green specks on them from like the herbs. Kind of looks like a volcano or something. All right, let's give it a go. Can't really see. It's just like saucy pork goodness. Vegan, of course. But it has like that smoky taste to it. The barbecue sauce is so flavorful. It's got a very small spice to it. And I'm pretty sure it's jackfruit inside, because that's what most barbecue pork is made from. No, it's not. Just a bunch of processed crap. But, you know, in moderation, which I still need to work on that. I'm gonna try it with the sauce. This one is so rich in flavor. Like, you really won't want, not want to, you won't need to eat more than probably two. Like, it's so rich in flavor. It's like an explosion in your mouth when you have it, a bite. This is so good. I also made fresh green apple cold pressed juice. Like a Jolly Rancher. Oh, sour, but also very sweet. So good. The sky's clearing up. That's great. We might go to the movies later and see Black Panther. I don't know yet. But a couple of you wanted me to do another burping video or burping challenge. I'll do that soon. I just have to go out and get the soda because right now all I have is ginger ale. I don't really want to do a burping video with just ginger ale, you know? So, I don't know. What soda do you have in mind? Let me know. Not a fan of cream soda. This is all so good. I have some water in here. I tried looking a little bright today for such a gloomy day, and because it's spring, I have this colorful African vibe shirt that I got from the flea market. It is like, I don't know if it's African, Haitian. I'm not really sure what he was, but I'm loving it. I love this kind of style. Got a pink lip going, which is almost out, or almost like rubbed all off. Very minimal makeup look. And then I recently got my hair done. You probably can't even tell because I just washed it yesterday. But I got the keratin smoothing treatment, agave smoothing treatment done almost a week ago. You can't tell, but had I not gotten it done and washed my hair would be like super frizzy, dry, and curlier than this, and like out to here. I never wear it down when it was like that because it was so like matted and gross. So now this, for instance, like it dried straight. That's crazy. But I plan on straightening it tonight. I also got about 5 inches cut off. It's here now, and it was down like to the middle of, like in between my chest and my butt, in between there. So I got like 5 inches off. I love this length though. And yeah, super soft. A lot more manageable. It's so easy to wash when I'm taking a shower, and yeah, I love it. Definitely worth it if you're thinking about getting a smoothing treatment done. This is, like I said, the agave smoothing treatment, which is like a much healthier, natural version. And it lasts up to 12 weeks, depending on how you care for it. You have to use like a sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner, lukewarm water, stuff like that. We'll go back into the breakfast one. This is so filling. Gardein, it's always filling. And you shouldn't eat it all the time. Like I said, I'm working on that because I went to Publix and they had buy one get one free Gardein products, so I'd be crazy not to get it. But I'm working on that. I plan to make like the videos that I make for you guys to be kind of like a cheat day, like eat junk or kind of unhealthy, and then the rest of the week, you know, eat good. I also plan on doing a raw. My glasses are getting wet from the water. a raw vegan detox once a month. As you guys know, I did one like a week and a half ago, and I lost almost 10 pounds. For 6 days I did it. Which, by the way, I still plan on making a video. I've just kind of been like putting it off because I want to get mukbangs out to you. But I mean, I could talk about it now. It's only 16 minutes in. No biggie. So I went from Monday to Saturday. I was going to do the whole full week, Monday to Sunday, but Sunday was my cousin's baby shower. So I ended up bringing some Kite Hill chive cream cheese and crostini. That was so good. Everybody loved it. Like, I kind of just snuck it out onto the table with all the other non-vegan foods. And people were like, what's this? What's this? And they were eating it. They loved it. I'm like, yes, it's vegan. And then I also had like a few mimosas. So I did it for 6 days. The first day went good, you know, no cravings. It was awesome. But like at night into the next morning, I had major detox migraines. So it's super normal for you to go through some sort of side effect when you are on a detox. So mine was migraine, and it was bad. It was like the migraines that you get like behind your eyeballs, like super bad. But I knew I was okay because, like I said, it's normal. If you live your life a certain way and then the next day you're doing something completely different, your body is going to react to that. And it's like, whoa, you're changing up, you know, my body, my balance, whatever you call it. So yeah, that lasted probably 24 hours. In the beginning, it's kind of like started out like mild, and then it got really intense at night. And then the next day by the afternoon, I was good. I was really good. Everything was good after the first day. Sorry, I keep getting notifications that pop up. After the next day, like on day 2, I already felt lighter. Like my bloating in my stomach was pretty much completely gone, which I was so happy about. Like, I'm like, oh my gosh, that's insane. I don't remember the exact amount of pounds that I lost, like, that I noticed on the second day, but it was quite a few. Maybe, like, 4 pounds or so. And then every day, after that, it was awesome. I had no cravings. I was able to come up with different ideas and recipes. I did get a few ideas. I talked about this in one of my previous videos. Health with Keisha was a big help for me because she was also in the middle of her 30-day raw vegan detox, and she had all of these crazy awesome recipes. We went to Bed Bath & Beyond and got a spiralizer, which kind of like turns your vegetables into noodles. So I made like zucchini noodles, and then also like a bunch of different sauces and dressings. I'm trying to think about what I'm going to talk about next. So I went for 6 days. I lost 9 pounds. My starting weight was 212. I know, crazy. And my ending weight was 203, so 9 pounds. So believe me when I say I was stoked about that. Let me have a bite. I'm like neglecting my food here. What was that noise? I'm gonna finish this bite because I hate watching mukbang videos where they cut out them swallowing. It's just satisfying to watch. Alright, now I'm gonna, whatever that noise is, I'm gonna turn it off. That was my oven making a weird, like, vibrating noise. Weird. But anyways, so I lost 9 pounds. I'll insert pics here for you. As far as like inches goes, I didn't like measure myself, so I wouldn't know, but definitely lost some inches. I could tell looking in the mirror every day. Like, I loved waking up and seeing the results for that morning. Like, it was such a good feeling. And also, like, that discipline that I was giving myself by only eating raw was also a good feeling. Overall, I thought it would be super hard. First of all, I don't think I posted, this was funny, I posted posted something on Facebook. Wow, I'm not really on Facebook anymore. I posted something on there maybe like 5 years ago saying I might be able to go vegetarian, but vegan, hell no, I love my cheese too much. And looking back on that, I saw it because you know how Facebook has like a time hop thing and it shows your previous statuses for that day but the prior years before. That's how I noticed it. And I was like, wow, crazy. Like how things change in your mindset and all that. But yeah. So I thought it would be super hard going raw vegan because it's like vegetarian, vegan, raw vegan, like the ultimate, discipline, I guess, maybe, but it's not bad like that. I'm not saying it in a negative way, but it was super easy. I will say it is harder if you are out in your daily life, going to work or going places where there are temptations around you. Yes, that's going to be hard, but it all begins and ends in your mind. You have to have the mindset and a strong mindset for it. And the biggest thing, like bigger than that, is you got to plan for it. You have to make sure you buy all of your produce advance, and you have to buy all of that stuff before you even start this detox, and prep it to like cut your vegetables if you really are that kind of person that you do have your lazy days, which we all do, but you know what I mean. Like, you want to plan and set yourself up for success. Because let's just say you are hungry, which, by the way, you will get hungry faster, of course, because whatever you eat, your body digests almost immediately, which is how our body's designed to digest foods immediately. So let's say you ate a big salad, and then an hour and a half, 2 hours later, you're hungry, but you don't have anything made, you're running super low on your produce. What are you going to do? Are you going to go in the back of the freezer and pull out a pizza or some fries or something like that? Most likely, because you didn't prepare yourself for your next meal, let alone for your whole detox. So you just have to make sure you have enough bananas, grapes, strawberries, lettuce, spinach, kale. I recommend getting cashews. I know they can be pretty expensive, but they are amazing if you are a real texture and you love creamy foods, because cashews are amazing for that. If you soak them for a few hours, I recommend overnight for like 7 to 10 hours. And then you use that in a blender with some veggies, seasonings, nutritional yeast. You'll get an amazing creamy sauce. I've done it. I've made about 3 different sauces from cashews as the base, and they all came out amazing. I used one for dressing. I used one for my zucchini noodles. I used one for like as a dipping sauce for like cucumbers and peppers and carrots. I made a buffalo cashew ranch kind of thing. So good. So yeah, set yourself up for success. Make sure you're watching or reading, whatever you gotta do, raw recipes, because if you're watching like other mukbangers and you don't have a strong mindset, you're probably going to want the food they're having or want something like it, and you'll probably give up and fail. But if you want fast results, let's say you have, like, let's say you're going on vacation in the next week or 2 weeks, or you want to look good for a photo shoot, or you want to look good, slimmer, completely debloated for an event coming up, I highly recommend this. I recommend you doing a detox period. I would say once a month, but at least once or twice a year. It's so good for your body. But it's also really good if you want to lose weight. I'm just being honest. Like, waking up and seeing my body in the mirror, that gave me all the motivation that I needed. So yeah, the raw vegan diet, the raw vegan detox did wonders for me. It would do wonders for you. You just have to, like I said, plan. You have to build up a strong mindset, self-control, and make sure you have all the necessary products that you need and that you like. Make sure you always have like a salad base, whether that's lettuce. I don't really recommend iceberg because it has no nutritional value, but like spinach, romaine, kale, whatever you want to do. Cashews are good for creamy things, like they're super good for that. Nutritional yeast is amazing, beneficial, that's one, but it has a really nice cheesy flavor, so mixing that with cashews, almost like a cheese sauce, like so good, so healthy, natural. Like, you feel like you're eating guilty, but you're not. You're eating the complete opposite. So good. So yeah, anytime I feel like I want to look a little bit better for something that's coming up, I would do that, and I'm going to. I might even start tomorrow. I don't know. I'm going down to South Florida this weekend, and I want to look good in a bikini. I want to look better in a bikini. If you guys have any questions about that or anything else health related, I probably can help you. So just let me know in a comment below. Or you could DM me on Instagram. My Instagram is always in my in the description. I was gonna say my bio, but in the description below, it's Sunsets and Samosas, the same as my name here. Definitely getting full. I have a little bit more green beans and one more bite of the porkless pocket. And I am done. All right, one more bite, then we're done. One big bite. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Yum. That was so good. I recommend you juicing your own juice. It's cheaper and it tastes so much better for some reason. Like that, it sounds silly, but that tasted like I just ate a whole half of a watermelon. But better, like so good. We plan on getting popsicle molds and pouring some fresh pressed juice in there and then freezing them. Maybe even add like some berries or fruit inside. Oh yes. All right. That is gonna be it for today's video. I'm stuffed. I can't wait to lay down on the couch and relax. And yeah, I will see you guys soon for another video. Not sure what it's gonna be, but that's the best part. Something spontaneous, you know? That's always good. But I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you are in this lovely world. Happy spring to you. Let me know what your plans are, what you plan on doing this spring. And yeah. If you do try out the vegan detox diet, I recommend you checking out my video. I made a video, it's titled like Day 1 Raw Vegan Journey. That recipe was amazing. I recommend you following Health with Keisha here on YouTube. She has amazing recipes, like so simple but incredible and filling as heck. And yeah, I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.